Guys, I've been pretty ill this week, but I was in desperate need of a haircut, so I did a quick one on myself, filmed it, and this is how it came out. This week I used the fading down technique, which took about half the time as it normally does. It came out quite nicely, so you guys can be the judges, but I feel like it came out quite nicely. So, take a look, guys. Friends and viewers, here's the equipment for today. Ranging from the 0.5 up to a 4, the Magi clip, and then we've just got a few little clips there. Let's get it! Okay, so guys, here we are. We're going straight in with the number 4, and that's all the way open, and we're clearing the bulk, clearing the long hair at the top, making our canvas nice and fresh and clean so that we can put in a nice crispy line, okay, and deliver an A1 stunning haircut for you guys, a nice tutorial. So then we're just coming just underneath that. We've put our 2 guard on, it's fully open, and we're cleaning it just underneath that 4 to lighten the area up on the sides there. Here we're going to come in and we're going to set our 0.5 line. I think next week I'm going to try and do this line a little bit higher so the blend seems a little bit more higher up the head, but we'll see about that. So yeah, just set your line in nice and neat, guys, as neat as possible. Make sure it drops around the back of the head as well, because the fade is going to drop. It's not going to be straight around it's not going to be exactly straight around the whole side of the head. It does need to drop down behind the sort of bone that's on the back of your head. And that is literally just underneath the bone on the back of my head there, where I've put that line. So yeah, with the fading down method, guys, you basically need to remember where you last went with your clipper, and you need to go directly just underneath that with the next guard you use, which is going to be the lower one. So that's how the technique essentially works. Here I'm just cleaning up that 0.5 with a deep 0. Now we're going straight into it with the 2 closed, guys. So just underneath where I was with the 2 open, we're going with the 2 closed. And obviously, because there's no lines, there's no points of reference, so you just have to sort of keep the points of reference in your head. Very quickly here, I've moved on to the 1.5 guard. I think it's halfway open, so it's a 1.75, so it's just underneath the 2. And again, we're just going just underneath where we were with that 2. And then, guys, all I'm going to do is close up the 1.5 so it is a true 1.5, and I'm going to go just underneath that again. And yeah, it's kind of straightforward, and as you can see, the initial deep 0 line that I put in gets fainter and fainter, and the fade just starts to come in gradually. So now I've got the 1 guard halfway open, and I'm just coming in underneath, exactly underneath that as well. And as you can see, guys, it's just the easiest way to fade. The fade is coming in already. I'm going to take that 1 guard, I'm going to close it up, and I'm going to come in just underneath where I was with the 1 guard open. This fade took me half the time that it normally takes me to do a haircut on myself. And I'm definitely going to use this method more and try to get better at it. And there we go, so you see that line just vanishing, guys. That 0 line is just vanishing, cleaning it with the 1 guard closed now. And you want to make sure to flick out, because when you're doing the haircut on yourself, it's not the most natural thing to be flicking out with your hand. Sometimes you can go straight up, and I've made a few mistakes on myself just going straight up, so you need to consciously be flicking out. I need to get better at that, personally. Here I've got the 0.5 guard on, and it's kind of just almost finishing it up now. It's the last stage of the haircut. I'll start with the 0.5 guard open, so it's almost a 1, and then I close it up slowly and just go lower and lower until the 0 line is completely gone and blended in. as I said, for me, so far, this seems like the easiest way to fade. I'm definitely going to be doing it a lot more than setting in several lines throughout the haircut. That just takes so long. And there we go, guys, just finishing that off there. Now a couple of finishing touches. Slapped on my 1.5 guard, and I'm just sort of attacking any dark spots or bits that I think need a little bit of touch-ups. This is arguably the most important part of the haircut, because you're just going over what you've already done, and once you've touched it up properly, the haircut really sort of looks its best. And as you can see, guys, it's looking pretty nice now. I'm really happy with that. There we go, guys, that's the haircut over, and let me show you a clip of what it looked like the next day. And I hope you enjoyed the trim, guys, and I hope if you did get something out of this, then you give us a subscribe or a thumbs up or one of those other things, a comment that I can, you know, reply to. And yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. Have a great day and see you all in the next one.